Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Qadri. I hope you all are doing good. This video will assist you to learn correct pronunciation of very important words of English language. So let's start. Here you can see the very first word, woman. Word you used to call or pronounce in a way is woman. No, this is absolutely wrong pronunciation. You have to say next time women. Correct pronunciation will be women. No word in English language of woman. No, the word is women. Next word. Okay, asthma. Oh my god, no, this is wrong pronunciation. Asthma is absolutely wrong pronunciation. You will have to say asthma. Here T will be silent, here H will be silent. You have to pronounce the word in such a way, asthma. The correct pronunciation will be asthma. Next word. Okay, next word. Fasten. No way. Fasten is wrong pronunciation. You will have to say fasten. You will find it a strange perhaps, but this is actually correct pronunciation. The word is fasten. T will be silent, silent. The word will be fasten. Next word you can see here is debris. No way, this is not debris. Actual pronunciation will be S will be silent here. We have to this is a combination of two words. We can say debris, debris. The word is debris. Next word. Okay, this is very important. Most of the people used to pronounce this word in such a way. Damo. No, no, no. There is no word like damo. No. Actual pronunciation will be demon. The word is demon. The word will be demon. Next word. Banquet. No, people used to pronounce it such a way. Banquet. No. Actual pronunciation will be banquet. Correct pronunciation will be banquet. You have to pressurize N. Banquet. Next word is, this is not beret. No way. This is not beret. Like you will have to pronounce U as E. Bury. He buried, right? The word is bury. Next word, sword. Okay, sword. No, this is wrong pronunciation. You will have to say sword. Correct pronunciation will be sword. The word will be sword. W will be completely silent here. The word will be sword. Oh my god, very important, very important. Next word. Receipt. No way. No, people used to pronounce it like receipt. No, this is receipt. Correct pronunciation will be receipt. Correct pronunciation will be receipt. Here P will be completely silent. Receipt. Alright, the next word. The next word. Okay, this is not culic. No, this is not culic. No, wrong pronunciation. Actual pronunciation will be colleague. The word will be colleague. We are very good colleague. Next word is Next word is chaos. Okay. People used to pronounce it chaos. No, this is not chaos. This is not chaos. This is chaos. You have to pressurize K-A-Y. Chaos. Correct pronunciation will be chaos. Next word. Thumb. Okay, here B will be silent. You are not supposed to pronounce B. Thumb. No, incorrect. Correct pronunciation will be thumb. We have to stop ourselves at M. Correct pronunciation will be thumb. Thum, thumb. That's it. You have to practice all these words with me, of course. Correct pronunciation will be thumb. Next word. Next word, again very important. People used to pronounce this word resume. No, this is not resume. This is resume. The word is resume. Here you can see three jerks while pronouncing this word. Resume. Beautiful pronunciation it will give definitely. The word is not resume. No way. The word is resume. Next word. Mouse. No. Incorrect. Accurate pronunciation of this word will be moose. The word will be moose. Next word is divorce. People used to pronounce he gave her divorce. No. Or he divorced her. No. Divorce. The word is divorce. This is not divorce. Incorrect. Incorrect pronunciation. Absolutely wrong. 100% wrong. Actual pronunciation will be divorce. He divorced. The word will be divorce. Next word. This is not bass. The word is bass. The word will be bass. This is not bass. You don't have to open up your mouth. No, the word will be bass. Next word, again very important, very important. Vegetable. No way. Vegetable. No, no. Incorrect. Actual word is vegetable. This is not vegetable. No way. No. There is no I. Right? Vegetable. Correct word will be vegetable. Correct pronunciation will be vegetable. Next word. Next word. Raspberry. No, raspberry. No way. Actual pronunciation will be raspberry. Actual pronunciation will be raspberry, raspberry. Like we have to pronounce S and P, we have to give the sound of Z to S and P. Raspberry. The word will be raspberry. Next word is espresso. No way. This is not espresso. No. This is espresso. The word will be espresso. Like at the end you have to pronounce H, right? Espresso, right? Because in spelling you can see ES. This is not X. You will not pronounce espresso. No, incorrect. Espresso. Next word is Next word is jalapeno. No, no, incorrect. Absolutely incorrect. Here we are supposed to give J sound of H. Jalapeno. Jalapeno. Actual word will be jalapeno or jalapeno, you can say. Next word is tour. No, no, this is not tour. No, no, this is tour. The word will be tour, right? The word will be pronounced like tour. Next word. This is not subtract. No, this is subtract. Very important. Like people used to pronounce I have to subtract. No, no, no. Subtract, no way. Actual pronunciation will be subtract. The word will be subtract. Mean to minus something. Word will be subtract. Next one. Almond. No way. Almond. L will be silent. In fact, we have to give L sound of H to some extent. We are not supposed to pressurize that one. Word is not almond. No, word is almond. The word will be almond. Next word. Next word is next word. Next word. Engineer. No, engineer. There is no word in English. Engineer. No. The word will be engineer. This is not engineer. No, this is engineer. We have to give a clear sound of E, right? The word will be engineer. The word is not restaurant. No, no, restaurant is completely incorrect. Actual pronunciation will be restaurant. The word will be restaurant. The word will be restaurant. Next word. This is not coupon. No, this is coupon. The word is not coupon. No way. The word will be coupon. The word will be coupon. Next. Next word. This is not iron. No way. This is ion. Or like if you want to pronounce or you want to give the sound of R, you are not supposed to pressurize the word letter R. No. You will say iron. I want to iron my cloth, right? I want to iron my cloth. Next word is Tom. No, this is not Tom. No, the word is Tom. The word will be Tom, right? Next word, chassis. No, this is not chassis. The word is chassis. The word is chassis. Correct pronunciation will be chassis. Next word. This is not dango. No, this is not dango. This is dengue. The word is dengue. Right? Actual pronunciation will be dengue. Next word. This is not monk. No, this is monk. The word is monk. Word will be monk. Next word is video. No way, this is not video. This is video. The word is video. This is not video. No, no, no. Incorrect. Video. The word will be video. Next word is violin. No, people used to pronounce this word as violin. No, this is actual pronunciation is very beautiful. That is violin. Correct pronunciation, it's very beautiful word. The word will be violin. The correct pronunciation of this word is violin. This is not villain, no way. This is violin. Next word. This is not breakfast, no way. This is breakfast. Correct pronunciation will be breakfast. This is not breakfast. Incorrect, incorrect. Actual pronunciation will be breakfast. The word will be breakfast. Word. Next word. This is not bowl. No, this is ball. Simplest one, this is ball. This is a ball. But mostly people used to pronounce this word as bowl. No, incorrect. Ball. Next word, very important. Next word is very important. This is not buffet. No, buffet. No, no, incorrect. Simplest word is buffet. Actual pronunciation will be buffet. We will have to give sound of Y to T and O to U. Buffet. The word will be buffet. Next word. This is poem. No way. This is not poem. No, this is poem. Actual pronunciation will be poem. Right? This is not poem. This is poem. Actual word is poem. Right? Next word. Very important. Word is not Wednesday. No, incorrect. Actual pronunciation will be Wednesday. Actual pronunciation will be Wednesday. Wednesday. Wenzday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Next word. This is not data. No, no, incorrect pronunciation. Correct pronunciation will be data. The word will be data. This is not data. Actual pronunciation will be data. Correct pronunciation will be data. Next word. Onion. No way. Incorrect. This is not onion. This is onion. The word is onion. We will have to give sound of A to O. Actual pronunciation is not onion. Actual pronunciation will be onion. Next word, oh my god, favorite thing of everyone, but people used to pronounce this word absolutely wrong. This is not pizza, no way. This is pizza. The word is pizza. I want to have a pizza. Like, you will not pressurize tea too much, but you will say, I like pizza. T, sound T. Pizza. The word will be pizza. Next word, and I guess this is going to be the last one for today's lecture. Okay, the next word is yak. No, yak is no word. The word is yacht. Absolutely correct and simplest one is yacht. The correct pronunciation of this word will be yacht. So guys, this is all about today's lesson. I hope this is very informative for all of you. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel Learning with Anila Qadri and press the bell icon. Thank you.